So most of you will have a single colored white cutting board. This is known as a utility cutting board. I would have more than one, especially if you get a mystery meat such as chicken. That way you don't have ways of cleaning it, so you need to have multiple cutting boards for all the foods that you're going to get. This is solely for chicken. You want to get it cleaned off and put away so you don't use it for the cooked chicken. If you get a beef product, this is for beef or for raw meats. You can cut your beef up ready to go. And then we have our green board that is solely for vegetables and fruits.